Hi, I'm Stuart from Croyde Medical, and this is the Croyde Sleeper Chair. So, as you can see, it is a chair and it is designed for sitting and use in a hospital environment. However, the endearing quality about this particular chair is that it also has the ability to turn into a full-length, single, flat-lying bed in just a few seconds. So I'm just going to ask Luke to come into shot here to show you how the mechanism works, but essentially you just grab the handle and it all folds out in one single movement, backrest down, foot section up, and that now gives you a full-length single flat-lying platform to support overnight stays. So you can see here as Luke is lying flat, it's just over 2 meters of lying space, and you get 87 centimeters of width as well. And the other nice bit is that you have this deep reflex foam cushioning here, which makes the overnight stay nice and comfortable and a nice pleasant experience. However, the other thing that you can try with this particular chair is that it does have a 2/3 or a chaise lounge type position, so which gives you a nice backrest position that allows you to put your legs out in front of you and use it just for resting and relaxing. Of course, when you finish with that and you want to move it back to being a regular chair, use the chair at the side of the bed space. You just put the foot section underneath, fold it in, and of course you're back to being a regular chair with the backrest and the shaped armrest to support you. Of course, the other thing that you'll notice with this chair is that it comes on wheels, and it does have brakes as well. So if I just pop those off, you'll notice that it's nice and easy to move around. So for cleaning purposes, etc., that allows you to move it around in the room. And of course, when you're done, you just pop the brakes back on, make it nice and secure. The foam fabric and the mechanism of the chair come with a 2-year warranty. And the fabric is designed to be wiped down with hospital cleaning agents and things like Clinell wipes. It is designed for use in the hospital environment. The warranty on this thing is obviously 2 years, and the weight capacity is 160 kilograms. And then the best thing about it is, again, that you can choose from a range of colours. So if you're looking to support a specific colour theme, then of course, if you just head to the Croyde Medical website, you'll see a list of the colour options that you can choose from there. So I think that's everything, but if you have any specific questions that are answered within this video, then please feel free to drop us an email at the address that you can see on screen now, or you can get in touch with us on the phone via the number that you can also now see on screen. Thanks.